What's up, guys? Welcome back. Today I'm going to be talking about my modernized desk setup. It's built around a Mac Studio as well as a 40 terabyte hard drive that I use for storing all my files. When it comes down to the essentials, I have a desk shelf to add some extra storage space. You guys have seen me set this microphone up in previous videos, but it is a key component to this desk setup. I also got a camera mount on the left side of the desk to record short form content or live streams. I'm currently using the Logitech mechanical keyboard and MX Master mouse. Now, I did get a new monitor, and that is why this video took a little bit longer to make. This is LG's 49-inch curved ultra wide. I wanted to give ultra wide a try because I know that it's like having two 27-inch monitors, which is exactly the setup that I was rocking before getting this monitor. So they sell for about $1,200. I paid about $668 for this monitor. So they're out there for deals. If you want to try ultra wide, I wouldn't recommend paying full price, but beautiful, beautiful display. Cable management can really make or break a desktop setup, in my opinion. So the next thing that I worked on was hiding all the cables and wires at the back of the desktop. I kind of just tucked them underneath the desk using these clips that I got from a cable management kit that I found on Amazon. All right, guys, so this is it. This is my desk setup for 2024. As you guys saw in the video, I got a 49-inch ultra wide monitor, Mac Studio, and a 40 terabyte hard drive. I'm using some peripherals here. I got a camera stand and then a microphone stand attached to the desk. And then I did some cable management. Normally I like to keep the desk pretty minimal. I don't like having too much going on up here. This camera stand right here, this thing is multifunctional. Like right now I have the light on there, but I can add another extended arm and go even further. So if I want to do like top-down shots, which I've done before, that's how I get those top-down shots. So I'll link this in the description as well. I didn't really talk too much about the light that I have on the desk. At nighttime, this area on the desk can get really dark. So yeah, even the monitor doesn't produce enough light to like get what's down here. It'll still be pretty dark. So this light right here has done a great job of just like lighting up the area so that I can see, typing, using the mouse. I'm not straining my eyes, So I got two Logitech speakers that sit on the sides of the desk. So I'll play some music from the Mac Studio. It's actually not that bad. Now I play audio from the LG Ultra Wide. I'm actually surprised at how well that sounded. But then let's hear the Logitech speakers. Yeah, so I prefer the Logitech speakers. The monitor doesn't sound that bad. I still feel like it's missing something. I think it's in the low ends or something like that. Okay, so I did purchase this cable management kit from Amazon. I'm gonna leave this linked in the description, but it came with a lot of useful things to like manage the cables on my desk. I'm not like a huge stickler for hiding cables, but I can see the appeal in like cleaning up the desk area. So I ordered this kit on Amazon, and there are some pretty useful things in here, like, some cable holders, some clips. This kit was really useful. Obviously, I still have a lot more of it. So like if I want to do more cable management, I could just do more cable management. Cable management kit has definitely come in clutch, and I'll leave this in the description too, just in case you guys want to pick that up. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.